The 2026 Ford Fiesta is no longer just a small city car, it's a bold reinvention. Sleek, futuristic, and dripping with confidence, this is Ford rewriting the rules for its compact hatchback. Forget everything you thought you knew about the Fiesta, because this version looks more like a baby Mustang Mach-E blended with a luxury European EV. This is the next chapter of Ford's design future, and it starts right here. From the front, the new Fiesta makes an immediate statement. The familiar grille that once defined compact Fords is gone, replaced by a smooth gloss black shield panel with a glowing Ford script at the very center. It's more than just a logo change, it's Ford embracing the new era of illuminated branding, a design language we're seeing from BMW, Mercedes, and others. Flanking this bold centerpiece are razor-thin LED blades that stretch across the entire fascia, connecting in a continuous light bar. Vertical LED spears run down each corner of the bumper, creating a cybernetic stare that feels confident and almost alive. The sculpted surfaces below are clean yet aggressive, channeling air and shaping a front end that looks as futuristic as it does aerodynamic. Move along the side, and you'll see that the Fiesta has completely shed its traditional hatchback silhouette. In its place is a sleek fastback profile that flows seamlessly from the roofline to the rear, giving it a coupe-like elegance. The body is minimal, with flush door handles and clean surfacing that emphasizes aerodynamics. Black side skirts add contrast to the white body, while the massive multi-spoke wheels fill the arches with authority. Instead of looking like an entry-level compact, the Fiesta now carries the stance and presence of a downsized luxury EV. This is not the humble city car we once knew. It's a stylish, European-inspired machine that demands attention. At the rear, the transformation is just as striking. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, glowing like a futuristic horizon line with the Ford name illuminated boldly at the center. This replaces the traditional oval badge and signals Ford's confidence in its brand identity. The taillights are slim and sharp, perfectly integrated into the light bar, while the sculpted rear bumper adds depth and sportiness with a gloss black diffuser-style finish. A subtle roof spoiler ties the look together, not only enhancing aerodynamics, but also giving the Fiesta an unmistakably sporty edge. From behind, this compact hatch could easily be mistaken for an Audi or a Porsche concept, yet it wears the Ford name proudly.
Inside, the Fiesta has undergone perhaps the most radical transformation. Gone are the days of small screens and plastic-heavy cabins. Instead, the dashboard is dominated by a panoramic digital display that stretches from one side to the other, blending the driver's cluster with the infotainment system in a single, seamless panel. The graphics are futuristic, crisp, and customizable, giving drivers complete control over information and entertainment. The steering wheel carries the Ford name boldly at its center, framed by touch-sensitive controls. The center console adopts a clean, minimalist approach with a rotary gear selector that frees up space and adds a premium feel. Ambient lighting casts a subtle, futuristic glow across the cabin, while materials such as stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and gloss black surfaces create an atmosphere far more upscale than the Fiesta's history would suggest. This isn't just a budget compact anymore. It feels like a small luxury EV built for the modern world. Beneath the sleek design, the 2026 Fiesta is expected to go fully electric. Ford hasn't revealed exact specs yet, but industry whispers suggest a compact EV powertrain capable of around 250 to 300 miles of range, with front-wheel drive as standard and possibly an all-wheel drive variant for higher trims. What excites enthusiasts even more is the potential for a Fiesta STEV, a performance-focused model that could bring instant torque and hot hatch excitement into the electrified era. Imagine the responsiveness of an electric motor, combined with Ford's ST tuning. This could be the car that redefines small performance, EVS. The 2026 Ford Fiesta is more than just a car, it's a message. It says Ford is ready to evolve, to compete on a global scale, and to bring premium design and technology into a segment that has long been defined by budget and compromise. From its illuminated scripts and sleek, coupe-inspired body to its high-tech interior and electric powertrain, this Fiesta is a revolution in compact cars. The question is, will longtime Fiesta fans embrace this bold new future, or will they miss the simplicity of the old models? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because the next generation of cars is coming fast, and you won't want to miss what's next.